Do not make another seafood boil without my big back butter. Don't worry, Unc's got the recipe. Watch this. Here's everything you need for your seafood boil. Full amounts will be in the caption below. In a large stock pot, add some lemons, some onion, some garlic, bay leaves, and this seasoning right here, the straight drop seafood boil. Everything your seafood boil needs to make that flavor bussin'. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. Add your potatoes, let it boil on high for 15 minutes, then add your sausage, let it boil on high for 5 minutes. Next, add your frozen crab legs and your frozen shrimp. Then also add your frozen corn. Give everything a little stir, make sure everything's well combined. Now cut that heat, cover, and set it to the side. Now let's make that big back butter. Bring half a cup of water to a boil in a medium saucepan over high heat. Reduce your heat to low and gradually add 1.5 sticks of butter, cold butter that is, until it's emulsified and thickened. Now let's upgrade that butter. Add some parsley, a couple shakes of hot sauce, a little Worcestershire sauce, and then right here, the Delta Dust. This is that Cajun seasoning you need. It's like Papados in a bottle. Mix that all together, turn off the heat. By the time that big back butter is done, your seafood should be all cooked. Now grab your favorite platter and dump all that seafood on top of it. Then give it a fresh glaze of that big back butter all over the top of that seafood. And then we're gonna give it a little shine with some more of that Delta Dust. All seasonings are available at UncleDibbz.com. This seafood boil is guaranteed to get your back nice and big for summer. Full recipes in the caption or just visit the link in my bio.
That's good, shorty.